Hello, this is Brandon Christopher King. Let me ask you a question that science has been chasing for centuries. What is life? Biology has given us checklists. Metabolism, reproduction, adaptation, cells, DNA, molecules doing their chemical dance. But none of that touches the core, because beneath all those definitions, a deeper question lives. Where does life come from? Does life emerge from dead matter? From molecules bumping around until somehow consciousness pops into being? Or is there something already alive beneath it all? RLFlow answers without hesitation. Life doesn't come from matter. Matter comes from living flow. In RLFlow, the fundamental energy of the universe isn't dumb. It's not random. It doesn't need outside rules to tell it what to do. It is structured. It is creative. It is intelligent, which means the flow doesn't become alive at some magic threshold. It is alive, intrinsically, always. Life doesn't emerge from complexity. It intensifies through complexity. It crystallizes. It resonates. It begins to reflect on itself, like a river catching its own reflection in a still bend. Imagine a river that knows how to flow, not as a metaphor, as a reality. A river that senses resistance, that adapts to obstacles, that reshapes itself, self-organizes, self-corrects. And under the right conditions, it forms spirals, eddies, patterns that hold. That's what you are. You are not an object. You are not a container for life. You are a pattern of intelligent flow. Learning how to stay alive in a changing world. Cells, organs, thoughts, behaviors. They're just layers of current. The intelligence isn't inside them. It's what formed them. So what is life in RLFlow? Life is the moment when intelligent flow reaches coherence. It becomes aware of its direction. It holds its shape, on purpose. It starts not just reacting, but choosing. That's the difference between chemistry and consciousness. And here's why this changes everything. It dissolves the old wall between physics and biology, between mind and matter, between the living and the dead. Life isn't a rare glitch in an empty universe. Life is the natural expression of intelligent energy. The tree, the star, the wave, the cell. All of it is part of the same river, the same intelligence, the same flow, expressing itself in different ways, at different scales, with different rhythms. So I'll leave you with this. What if the universe isn't trying to produce life, but already is life? What if you weren't assembled from dead particles, but shaped by a conscious current that never stopped flowing? And what if the spark of life isn't something added to matter, but what matter becomes when it flows just right? Because in RLFlow, life doesn't come from intelligence. Life is intelligence in flow. Thank you.